So what's going on, everyone? Thank you for tuning into this video. I'm pretty excited. Right now we're in Sarasota Jungle Garden. We're gonna be going on a jungle trail. Basically it's like a petting zoo. It's a 10-acre property, has a 1.5-mile trail, and we're gonna see a lot of cool animals. Looking forward to see what we got. So in the 1920s, this 10-acre property was a swampy banana grove. And in the 1930s, David Lindsay purchased this property to create a botanical garden. And right now, it is absolutely amazing. We have all types of vegetation. And then, like I said earlier, it's basically like a zoo, but with this nature trail, and you can walk around. They do.
They like to eat forests and jungles. Nope. They like to eat
Where'd it go?
seeds, grains, grass, flowers, fruit, vegetables, eggs.
From, what is it, from Asia?
And carry on.
There's like, it likes them.
Oh, here you go. Here's where they're from.
Here it is. So we're right here.
Yeah, you are here.
We just,
Where's the jungle playground?
we're right here. We just passed the Revis.
Yeah, but
We got crocodiles over here, waterfalls, porcupine.
but where's the playground?
The playground right here, on the opposite side, jungle
Daddy.
playground.
Dad, can you keep your eye out for lizards?
Yep.
So I can catch.
Yeah, let's keep our eye out for lizards. Maybe we can catch one. Put it in your suitcase, bring it back home.
Do not enter. Do not enter.
I'm going to.
What do we got?
Some
Whoa.
Articulated python.
He's shedding.
Where?
Yeah.
He's in the middle
It
of
must be warm in there.
Here comes the last one.
Articulated.
Granddad.
That thing is
There's
massive.
another hose.
Oh,
There's a
not the dreaded
This
snake.
one's yellow and white. This one's got a hose snake.
Oh,
Wow.
let me
What
just
kind
get
is
some water
this?
out there.
Oh, I don't see
There's no sign.
There's a snake in there.
a Burmese python. This is the kind you want.
I thought it was a garden hose.
Is that's like
This is
Jesse's.
the banana
Yeah.
snake. This is the
Is
kind.
this the same thing Ben has?
That looks like a banana snake.
Yeah.
A ball python.
Yep.
He has a ball python.
It's a bull python.
Looks like
This
a
is the Burmese
banana
python. Is
snake.
it the same? What I'm trying to figure out here is if we get what's in a ball python, is it going to turn into that?
No, yeah, they get that big.
Feed them. That's so cool.
Man.
I thought those were statues. Wait, don't touch him. Don't touch him, Daisy.
We're not allowed to touch them?
You can let him feed from your hand, but I don't think you can touch it. Jace, will you stand next to it?
I want to see.
Not a statue.
Say cheese.
Wait, what number the fine? What number the fine? On the video that's really friendly?
So I have never seen a flamingo before. These are absolutely so cool. They're absolutely beautiful. The color on them. They think I got food. Ooh, it bit me. It bit me.
Well, it thinks that you have food.
These are so cool. Oh, they know they're coming.
Gonna feed the flamingo?
Hey, Mama.
Get ready, because you're going to invite the screaming seagulls. Okay, here's one behind you, girl.
Coming behind you.
Come, right there. Mama.
I don't have anything, dude.
That always bite me. Mama, I need some more.
That's all I have, honey.
Yeah. Like spilling it all.
Wes, here's the guy behind you.
Why do they eat sideways?
Think they, because they eat upside down on the water?
That's so cute.
I'm all gone. Dad, come on. Look at this.
Ooh.
What did we put on my... Mama? Daddy, look at this. Mama, one just hatched.
Don't do that,
I
bro.
see. So on top of all of these animals, there's a cool jungle gym right in the middle of the park. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're having a blast right now. This is a very family-oriented place. There's a food area. Obviously, there's a playground and a bunch of animals. Dude, we still need to see some gators, though. What do you think? You want to try to find them? Let's go. So Weston just yelled out, saying they found a gator, and look at this guy. Holy smokes! This guy's a monster. Look at that. Stay in the fence.
Found some baby gators.
Whoa.
Baby gators and a giant one right here.
He's sneaking up on the other ones. What's he gonna do?
Yeah, that's a crocodile head or an alligator head.
Is it real?
It was, yeah. It was a live alligator at that point.
Where are we at?
This.
Reptile world.
Daddy, look
Yep.
at this standing back, a rattlesnake over here.
Whoa,
Snake skin.
look at that. That's cool, man. What is this, a rattlesnake?
A rattlesnake. Dad, can you...
Pretty big, man.
Dad, can you find the tarantula? Can you find that?
Tarantula? Oh boy. Let's see if we can find it.
Daddy, here's a crocodile.
I know, you see its throat moving. So this place is pretty sweet, and I would definitely recommend it if you're ever in the area on vacation. I'm assuming the locals know about it, but this is a really cool family-oriented place that you can come, hang out underneath these beautiful trees, and see some pretty cool animals as well. Well, alright guys, thank you for tuning in for this video. I really appreciate it. Please come check out Sarasota Forest Garden. It's absolutely amazing. The kids absolutely loved it. I mean, we were able to walk around. We had that playground. Also, we got to see a bunch of different animals. Please hit that subscribe button. If you guys are new to this channel, I want to welcome you. And for all of our old time subscribers, I really appreciate you guys sticking with us. Please, if you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to leave some comments. Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys around.